This week's episode is about chores around the farm in the springtime.
So this video that you're gonna see, we made earlier this week, and we were gonna post it Wednesday, and then we were watching it, and we got really bored watching it, so we weren't gonna load it, but we decided what the hell, and here you go. Enjoy.
It's a little on the slow side, but good information.
Bye. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. This week we are going to be talking about chores that we do here on the farm. They just keep adding up as spring and summer arrive. For example, mowing. We have, 9 acres that we have to keep manicured.
Feels like 109.
Probably takes us about 6 to 7 hours total of mowing time. Paul's on the pusher, I'm on the riding. We also get the brush hog out there and do the large areas. That's not including pastures that we have to take care of. What else have we done? We've built a hoop house. We've cleaned out our greenhouse. We've made a new chicken coop.
We've been laying fabric, as you already know.
Laying fabric.
Working on irrigation.
Pulling weeds.
We planted a pumpkin patch for the first time.
That's exciting.
With our friends, Katie and Della.
Paul's continuing power washing all the beautiful white vinyl fencing everywhere. We've signed up for, the knot and wedding wire to get more.
Oh yeah, we've listed the Lavender Farm as a venue on the knot and the wedding wire, which are now one company but still have 2 platforms. So we've been playing around with that and learning how to use those websites, and we still have lots of openings for weddings if you're getting married at the end of this season or next summer.
Trying to get creative with what's going on now. Trying to bring in some more money to the farm so it can pay for itself instead of us paying for it. We both are still doing our day jobs during the day.
Yep.
Maintenance on the vehicles, maintenance on the tractors, lawnmowers. It's just never ending out here.
Don't feel bad for us because
we like it.
We have sort of a weird, sick love for pain and suffering. So we do lots of things that we probably don't really have to do, such as weed whacking around the spruce trees to make it look like a park, because I'm obsessive compulsive.
We have a thing on the middle of the property that are old growth trees. It's maybe an acre, and he's gone in and made it a park-like setting. It's very charming in there.
It's amazing. It's absolutely worth it, but it was an extra 4 to 5 hours of weed whacking and mowing and brush hogging and moving crap around, because when you live on a farm and you are going around the property, you find all kinds of hidden treasures in piles and things under trees that you didn't know were there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you talk about the chicken coop?
I mentioned it. We'll show you some pictures of that at the end of this video.
Early in the spring, we added a whole horse pasture, which we didn't even talk about that. And we put in hundreds and hundreds of feet of white vinyl fencing, which was a lot of work. Basically, since COVID-19 hit, we've just been trying to do all those projects that you say you want to do, but you don't actually get around to do it because life is really busy. But now we've had so much extra time. Yeah. So it's rewarding, but it's also hard.
Yeah. You're probably wondering why we're sitting in front of a motorhome here at the farm.
Right.
This little gym came into our life.
Not so little. This giant condo on wheels.
In March. and we had to get creative on how it could take care of itself. So we've listed it on a website called RV Share. So it's kind of like Airbnb for RVs. You rent it and you take it out on your own and enjoy a vacation with not having to really own one. Get to bring it back and go from there. It's really fun. We've been out a couple times in it. I like it.
For being a large RV, it's actually relatively user friendly, and I mean, it's basically brand new, so I really enjoy using it. Don't be fooled, it too is a lot of work, but
when it comes back from a reservation, we have to wash the exterior, check all the fluids and the lights and tire pressures, and Paul goes on the inside and he takes care of the inside, so cleaning, making sure it's stocked, making sure the linens are taken care of, no new damage, all that fun stuff. So if you want to rent it, go on RV Share and look for
Lavender RV.
We also are
in Raymond, Washington. Just search my location. And if you want to know more about RV Share, you can shoot us a message, or you can look it up yourself. There's plenty of information out there. The insurance coverage is huge, so it really
not a
reduces.
Huge cost, a huge coverage. So
yeah, so your liability is reduced by a lot. Otherwise, we wouldn't be doing it. It's also listed on Airbnb as a place that you can stay if you want to come to the lavender farm and you want to stay with us on the lavender farm and eat farm fresh eggs and enjoy the pleasure of our company. Then you can rent it and come stay with us. And this time of year is absolutely the perfect time of year to come out here. I mean, everything's coming back to life. The grass is green, the lavender's starting to bloom. It's pretty magical. So
the blue skies, the white clouds, it's something special. You probably can't hear us from the wind, but work with us.
Yeah.
I think that's it. Oh, Chip. We have a new addition. Not tortilla chips. Cookie chip.
I do love tortilla chips and salsa though.
We have a new friend here on the farm. Paul,
my horse obsession grows by the day.
I'll see if I can swing the camera around.
So our farrier was out here a couple weeks ago, and I'm like a little schoolgirl whenever he comes out here because he's worked with horses his whole life. And so I always ask him 1,000 questions and tell him all kinds of things that are probably not very interesting to him, but bless his heart, he's very patient with me. Anyway, I was mentioning that I have 3 horses, but none of them are really rideable because they're retired or for whatever reason.
Yeah, close.
Anyway, so I was telling him that I would really like to have a trail horse, a horse that I can ride, a really safe horse that my family can ride, my niece can come out and she can ride, supervised of course. And he said, oh yeah, well, I might have a horse for you if you want to come and look at her. Very casual and nonchalant. And I went out and looked at her and I instantly knew I wanted to bring her home. Her name is actually King Bar's Cookie. And she's a double registered quarter horse, but we call her Chip because we like gender neutral names. And she's been here for 2 weeks now. She's in quarantine, but she's beautiful and I'm excited to work with her.
All right, sorry about that. We had a brain fart and just turned off the video because we didn't know what to say next. Welcome to real life. But we wanted to wrap up by saying thank you for watching. That's just some of the stuff we do out here. If you have any questions, comments, comment below or shoot us an email. Anything else to say?
This is the inside of the Lavender RV, so you can get a picture of how glamorous it is.
It does open up, so it has 2 pop-outs. Full-size bathroom, full fridge, full kitchen.
It's pretty sweet.
It's fun.
So thanks for listening. Great to see you guys.
See you in a week or 2. We've been averaging every 2 weeks, so bear with us. We're getting used to this. Bye, guys.